Hello, my beautiful friends, and Happy New Year. I wanted to take a moment to share with you how I engage in affirmative prayer when things aren't going right. Like they're really not going right for you in the moment. Maybe someone has been injured, they're in the hospital, you've lost your job, something just isn't going the way that you want it to. Sorry, I had to turn my phone off. And how do you utilize affirmative prayer? So what affirmative prayer is exactly what it sounds like. It's not a beseeching prayer because we're not beseeching the universe. We're not beseeching an entity or an energy to take mercy on us. What we're doing is that we are actually merging our hearts and minds with the heart and mind of the universe, right? The heart and mind of the universe to merge into the healing energy that is there and available for each and every one of us. And the one thing that we get stuck on is when things aren't going well, we want to focus on things aren't going well. Why is this happening to me? This shouldn't be happening. And we start getting into this blame, and we're actually exacerbating or making the problem worse. In my feeling mind, spirit is all things manifested. So you and I are the substance and the blueprint of the universe. That's what we are. That's what the plants are. That's what the trees are. That's what everything is. It's the substance and the blueprint of this intelligent energy. Yeah. And it manifests in multiple worlds. It manifests as our guides. It manifests as you and me and as our family. And so tapping into it feels so good. And healing starts to happen like this because there is no error. There is no wrong. There is no unhealth, untruth in spirit. Yes? Can I get an amen? I know I can because I'm feeling it. So what I do is when things start going, they don't, you start going wrong, you're like, oh my gosh, stop. And start giving thanks for the things that are going well in the moment. Look for it. Spirit is speaking to me right now. Look for the things that are going well. I give thanks for my good health. I give thanks for the good health of my friends and family. I give thanks for the doctors and the nurses. I give thanks for the sun, for the moon. I give thanks for an all-pervading spirit that is always with me, that is always with everyone, knowing that there is only and forever health, wealth, well-being, and abundance. And as soon as you start affirming in that way, all the beautiful things that are going right in the moment, Spirit speaking to us right now, in the midst of the things that are not going well, there are things that are going well. There's coincidences that are happening. There's the right people in the right place at the right time. All of this is coming together, and Spirit is saying, if we put our attention on that, miracles begin to manifest. Yes? No. Are you ready? So let's just do a prayer for ourselves, for all the good that is happening in our lives. So take a deep cleansing breath with me. You ready? So inhale and exhale. Doesn't that feel good? Let's do it again. Inhaling and exhaling. And this is what we are knowing. We are knowing that right here and right now, we are at one with universal consciousness, that we are at one with an all-pervading love, with an all-pervading light. And any discord in our lives, anything that is appearing as discord, is false. And so we put our attention on the light, on the love, on the possibility, raising each other up, raising up the spirit in our own minds, raising the spirit in that situation so that together we can know the truth. And the truth is light. The truth is love. The truth is abundance. The truth is health. The truth is wealth. The truth is immortality, that we are loved without reason. We are loved in such a way that it is unfathomable. and we are loved unto the end of time and beyond. And so we give thanks. We give thanks for this time together. We give thanks for this prayer. We give thanks for all that is. We give thanks for the opportunity to connect with our source in this way. And we release this thanks, this love, this light into the law of creation, knowing that our word never returns to us void. And together we say, and so it is. Doesn't that feel good? I know it does. I know it does. So thank you for praying with me, but it's what you do when things aren't going right. You just start looking for the things that are going wrong and saying, thank you. Thank you, Spirit. Yes, Spirit. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And thank you.